Oh. Like a surgeon. Jeez, what is this? Great. Of course, it's not 6-inch. What is it? Huh. Oh, oh, oh. Yummy. Great. Come on. Oh yeah, like a glove, as the kids say. Thank you. Come on. It's just me, or these worm drive clamps getting cheaper and cheaper. They do not go smoothly as they used to. Everything's gotten cheaper. More expensive and cheaper at the same time. Bind up with some junk in there, I guess. Come on. No, it's clean. What's it doing? Just showing its cheapness, I guess. Son of a gun. Alright. There we go. Seriously though, what is going on with this? Come on. Come on! These absolute garbage clamps. They're seriously so bad nowadays. I can't be the only one. Come on. They bind up so badly, so easy. And this has just happened in the last couple years.